Welcome to the Passport for Life online video orientation for inputting assessment data. Now that you have created your class or classes and it counts for your students, you are ready to implement the assessments. When you log in with your teacher account, you will see the 4 assessment areas for each class on the teacher dashboard. Let's start with how to implement, assess, and record the fitness skills and movement skills assessments. In the Printable Guides tab of the website, you will find downloadable and printable PDFs that contain instructions, equipment list, tips and rubrics for each of the fitness skills and movement skills assessments. In addition to preparing for assessing students, you can click on Recording Forms in the Teacher Dashboard to generate pre-populated recording forms with your students' names. These recording forms also include assessment tips and a rubric and are great to print out and have with you in the gymnasium as you implement the assessments. Follow the instructions on the assessment forms and complete the assessments for each of the fitness skills and movement skills assessment. We suggest reading each assessment first and planning your assessments in advance. Another tip is to start with more simplified assessments that have less stations, trials, or instructions, such as core strength or balance dynamic stability, and work your way up to cardiovascular endurance, which is the most complicated. As you complete the assessments in class and record students' achievement levels on the recording form, you can transfer their achievement level to the online forms. It is easiest to enter all 3 fitness skill achievement levels at once and all 3 movement skill achievement levels at once. To do this, click Record beside the appropriate assessment category. Choose the student you would like to record information for from the drop-down menu. Enter the student's achievement level for each of the assessments and click Submit. Continue this process for each student and for both the fitness skills and movement skills assessments. Note that there are different assessments for grades 3 to 6, 7 to 9, and 10 to 12 Passport for Life participants, so the assessment names you see on the screen may not be the same as what you see in your account. The active participation and living skills self-assessments are best completed online by your students. However, since we are already in the teacher area of the site, I will show you how to record the active participation and living skills assessments in the teacher dashboard should you need to do this. You can print both of these assessments in the Printable Guides tab and have students complete in paper form. These answers can then be transferred online in the teacher dashboard by clicking on Record beside each assessment type. From the drop-down menu, choose the student you would like to record information for, complete each question, and click Submit. Students can also complete the survey on paper and then transfer their answers online in the same way using their student account. To have students complete the active participation and living skills surveys online, they must first log in to their student account. Note that students only have access to the active participation and living skills assessments via their accounts and cannot enter movement and fitness skills assessment results. To access the active participation and living skills survey, students click Do It, fill in the questions, and click Submit at the bottom of the page. If you need to edit assessment data after you have entered it, you can do so by going to the teacher dashboard, clicking View Edit Class, clicking View Edit beside the appropriate student, clicking View Record beside the assessment category you would like to edit, clicking Edit from the top panel, changing the answers as needed, and clicking Submit. Now that you have completed all of the assessments, you are ready to share the Student Passport with your students. Please watch our viewing and printing the passport orientation video to learn more about this. Still have questions about inputting Passport for Life data online? Please contact us at passportforlife@phecanada.ca. Thank you.